Hello everybody, my name is Mr. Kirby. I teach chemistry and physics here at Palm Springs High School. Chemistry, that is the study of change. And as physics, it is the study of interaction. Good morning everybody, and welcome to the edition of Sci Friday. We have something cool here we want to show you. We are going to be blowing up a watermelon with rubber bands.
The watermelon's explosive reaction to rubber bands is a result of elastic potential energy accumulation and structural limits. As rubber bands stretch, they store energy. When too many rubber bands are applied, they stress the watermelon skin past its limits, causing it to rupture. Wait, this is how it should actually look.
Alright everybody, well we hope you like what you saw here. Sorry that we didn't have quite as epic of an explosion as normal, but we are going to see if we can insert a video from last year when we had quite the epic explosion. Alright everybody, have a great weekend.